Well, new research on the coronavirus continues at a fast and furious pace. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is spending hours every day reading everything he can, and tonight he's here to share two new papers he thought were particularly informative about how the virus spreads.
The CDC recently published new information to help epidemiologists predict how COVID-19 might spread, either as part of the ongoing outbreak or in a second wave. And there were some very concerning figures. Based on their current best data, it's estimated, get this, 40% of the spread occurs prior to a person even having any symptoms. And the best available data finds roughly 35% of infected people do not have any symptoms, but can still spread the virus. Here's one source for that data. The results of an outbreak investigation from the CDC publication, Emerging Infectious Diseases, is an important warning on how COVID-19 can spread during large gatherings. It outlines a 2-hour wedding event with roughly 360 guests that was held in Jordan in mid-March. Now, at the time, Jordan only had one confirmed case. It's believed the bride's father, who had just returned from Spain, where there was ongoing spread, was who unknowingly introduced the virus. Now, as is custom at weddings, the bride's father greeted the guests in a receiving line and had close contact with people during the celebration. Well, once he was identified as positive, contact tracers identified 350 of the guests and tested them for COVID-19. Of those, 76 people were found to be positive. Now, 40 of them had symptoms at the time of testing, but 36 guests, that's 47%, were asymptomatic at the time of testing. And in fact, one guest died. Now, in another paper, also from Emerging Infectious Diseases, they outlined another element of spread, the percent of those who become infected by a single individual. The researchers followed 38 asymptomatic people who tested positive and 369 of their close contacts. They found 16% of household contacts became infected, and among social contacts, there was also a higher rate of spread among people over age 65 compared to younger contacts. Now, all of this really highlights the importance of continuing precautions and the hazard of large gatherings. The fact is, the virus is still out there, and it just takes a single careless spark in the enormous tinder of susceptible people to reignite a rise in cases. Back to you.
Yeah, really interesting information. Okay, thank you, Dr. McGeorge.